Let's make Nanette's macarons. First, sift all-purpose flour and powdered sugar into a bowl. This step is very important. In a clean dry bowl, add egg white and a bit of cream of tartar. Now whip, whip, whip. Add in granulated sugar well at it. Next, add flavor, color, and dry ingredients. Time to fold. Do this gently and continuously until your batter can form number 8. Yeah, that's it. Scoop into a piping bag and pipe it out. Let it rest for 30 minutes, then bake in a preheated oven. I know you're enjoying this video. Please click that like button. Share this video and subscribe to this channel for more. After cooling, time to fill, and I filled them with caramel chocolate ganache. Enjoy!